Are you ready for this? Are you ready to this? It's a 1934 Ford. Ain't she a beaut? Watch out for them buckles. And talking about suicide doors, well, this one is in front. Kind of tight spaces, but remember, always respect and watch what you're doing. Oh, we're gonna get special permission to tour. Wow, check this out. That is roomy and beautiful. Sometimes mistakes turn into wonderful blessings. Check it out. I'll tell you about the mistake in another video with the equipment.
No, I got it.
Enjoy and watch more on Willis Talk.